Come here, Frank. Come here. Come here. Are you high? Where are you? Wow. Tell everybody how high you are. Why's your tail twitching?
Frankie.
Talk to us. Talk to us, Frank. What are you saying? What? Let's do it.
Frankie. Oh.
Oh, you're prancing. Are you high, Frank? Frankie, are you high? That's what I thought.
You get the Wonder Twins over here.
Hey, Bob, what are you doing? You're in the way.
It's her butt, and then him.
Say hi. Oh, jeez. Here we go. They like this. Hey, give me this. Let me show you how your sister does it. Jazz, get it. Get it. Oh, excuse me. Jazz, get it. Get it. There you go. Look at that. Oh, you're stuck? Okay. Hi, Frank. Are you high? Oh. Here, Jazz. Oh, here, Bub. Get it. Bub. Get it. This is Monster Boy. Big boy.
Maybe 4 months old.
Hey, Jazz. Excuse me. That's not polite to do in public. I'm videotaping you. Let me see. Get it. She's too smart for this. Oh,
He's not.
Nope. Where's my pretty girl? You gonna say something? Hey. No? Oh, Bub. Oh. All right. Okay, so sit like a bunny. It's fair. Frankie's high, but she's not talking much. I don't know where she went. Oh, there she is.
She's already staring
She's
at
just
you.
sitting here staring at us. Hey, Frank. You gonna say something? Tell us how high you are?
Do you want to give her more catnip?
Nah, just tell us how high you are. Tell us. Tell us. Hey. You just confused. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, Jazzy girl. Bubs.